Hello.
Hi.
This is Ryland.
Hi.
Chris Paramoto. We're here in Washington, just across the border from Oregon. This is going to be our day 2, but day 1 of the Washington BDR. It's Bridge of the Gods right behind us. I don't know how well you can see it in this shot, but we'll get a different one. So yeah, day 1 of the BDR. It's going to be a little different for me. Firstly, this is my first non-solo trip. I got Ryland here, and we're going to be classing it up, caviar, champagne, and staying in hotel rooms every night. So
it's the only way to do it.
Yeah. So you're not going to see any campground setup videos or anything, but it's going to be a good time. So far, weather is beautiful. Yeah, stoked for it. We're going to go hit it.
Let's do it.
Good morning. So we're here on day 2. Yesterday we did all of section 1 and a little bit more. We're here at White Pass Village, so it's a little hotel for the ski resort. Section 1 was super cool, kind of through the trees the whole time. Got some killer views of Mount Hood, some good views of Mount Adams as well, kind of peeking through the whole time. Pretty easy track, nothing that I feel like really caught us out, either of us, but really beautiful. Super fun. Today I think is going to be the day of the Washington BDR. We've got Bethel Ridge and we have Babyhead Hill. So I feel like Babyhead is a little infamous. I don't know that we're too worried about it though. Either way, it's going to be fun to go send it. So yeah, we're going to get out there, ride a little bit more once Ryland's done packing his stuff up.
Thumbs down, too much stuff. Rookie mistake.
So yeah, we'll see you out on the trail. so day three.
Day three.
We're up here at the Lions Rock Overlook right outside of Ellensburg. This guy's hometown. Got to stop, have a good burger.
Campus U Totem.
Campus U Totem.
Yep.
It was excellent. Go check it out. Day two was amazing. Just endless views, like all day long. Babyhead Hill, I don't feel like it was really cracked up to what everyone makes it out to be.
Nah, not at all.
I feel like the approach to Babyhead Hill was probably on the same level because it was a lot longer. Babyhead was like 30 seconds. It was loose. It was a little gnarly, but it was short. So
lots of careful line choices on the whole way up.
Yeah. But yeah, it was cool. It was really varied. You start in the forest, and we went out on kind of high desert stuff for a while. So some fast flowy sections there, and then after Babyhead, kind of some rocky downhill. We were pretty beat up, I think, ready to be done with the day. So, but yeah, today's day three, so we're actually going to do sections 3 and 4 in one day. It's going to be like 180 miles, somewhere around there. Seems like there's a fair amount of pavement, so I think we'll be able to make good time on it. But yeah, it looks like we're losing the big mountains. Can still see Rainier. Adams and Hood are kind of gone, but we have, what's this one, Mount Si?
Mount Si.
We got Mount Si back here. Looks like we'll have some cool new mountain ranges to check out. So should be another fun day. Looking forward to it. I wonder how much all the snow this year. Good morning. We're on day 4 of the BDR. We're just outside of Lake Chelan. That's what we got right behind us. Hopefully that shows up on the GoPro. So day 3 was killer. We did sections 3 and sections 4. I think we agreed that section 3 was our favorite so far.
100%.
Yeah, the views were incredible, especially right out of Ellensburg. Like Lions Rock, take the drive up to Lions Rock, the overlook. Take your time to go do that little. It's a short little drive off of the main route, and it was just incredible. Which I think we already said. I think that's where we stopped and talked last time.
We did.
But yeah, the track was super fun. Some little technical sections, but still flowy. We were able to make good time. Section 4 was really good too. The views aren't quite what they were in the southern part of the route, but it was a really fun, flowy trail that we were on.
There's an outlook you have to take.
Yes.
I don't remember the name of it, but you cut off the trail and go up to the left, and it's a 360-degree view of all the mountains around you.
I think there was a waypoint, right?
There was a waypoint.
Yeah, there's a waypoint on the GPX track. So, yeah, another one. Definitely take the time out. That one was incredible too. I'm sure there will be video in here from us going up there. The jungle, I think we also agreed, was probably the most difficult section so far. Yeah. Super steep, lots of exposure. It was silty, lots of big rocks. Like I almost high centered the KLR on a rock once. So yeah, and it was long too, a lot longer than we expected.
It was probably 45 minutes down from the top.
Yeah, so yeah, don't overlook the jungle. I feel like we kind of overlooked it coming into a little bit.
We did.
And it doesn't help that we were at 180 miles almost when we got there. So so yeah, looking forward to today. We're gonna hit Canada at some point today, well, at least the Canadian border. No idea really what to expect from what we're riding today. Doesn't seem like there's any alternate routes, so I don't think there's going to really be any difficult sections, but we'll see. Onward to Canada. Canadian border!
Maple syrup!
Alright, so it's day whatever. I don't even know, day 6, I think.
5, 6.
Finished the BDR yesterday. We're here in a hotel just about getting ready to ride home. So 5 and 6 I thought were really good. A little bit less scenic, I think, than the southern parts, or maybe just different scenic. like lots of cool meadows and stuff.
We'll give it different scenery.
Yeah.
It's different.
Not really any difficult sections on the routes. 5 and 6 are pretty fast. I feel like the speed was pretty good. I thought it worked really well doing 3 and 4 together in a day and then 5 and 6 together in a day. So yeah, man, what were your first BDR for you? What were your thoughts?
It was fun. It was a good time. There were a little more difficult sections than I thought, but overall it was good. 9 out of 10.
Cool. Right on. Yeah. Idaho for me had a lot of smoke, so maybe that's a big part of it, but I definitely liked Washington more than Idaho. Riding was a little more fun, a little more challenging. I don't feel like we ever got pushed too far. The jungle was a bit tough, and just a bit hairy, just a bit high consequence.
It's silty.
A little silty, yeah. Yeah, super rad. Thanks for watching. Get out there, go ride it yourself. You'll have a good time.
See you guys.